This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive blizzards headed towards Iowa on Tuesday, February the 2nd, 2016. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow, which is around 12 plus inches of snow. That's going to bring over 50 centimeters of snow with drifts. It's going to bring very strong winds, blowing the drifted snow, reduced visibility. It's going to bring a lot of snow drifts in it. It's going to bring massive snow drifts, blowing drifted snow, reduced visibility, and white out conditions as well. A lot of snow, winds are going to be real strong. That's going to cause near zero visibility. It's going to bring treacherous drive conditions and dangerous drive conditions as well. People in Iowa, be prepared! Have your winter boots ready, winter jackets ready, hats, gloves, scarves, ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now!
Iowa blizzard. This is how we get to work.
A lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to gust up to near 100 kilometers per hour. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be real strong. That's going to cause near zero visibility. It's going to bring treacherous drive conditions and dangerous drive conditions as well. People in Iowa, be prepared! Have your winter boots ready, winter jackets ready, hats, gloves, scarves, ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke.
In
Do your
February, it was -20 with a -30 wind chill. So you people are idiots. Did you know the borders are open? Pack up your Suburban and get the hell out. Yeah, you talk to the locals, what do they say? We love it here. We're a hardy people.